All right. So, which size is it going to be? Is that the quarter right there?
Should be.
That's a quarter? No, we got... Is that it?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
That's it? Okay. Now you take that valve out.
Yep.
You don't want to melt it. Melt the rubber seal. Do you need the...
Got a little cord here.
Well, look here. Use that.
Huh?
Oh, you're going to use your tool.
The difference is this goes in. The end of the valve won't.
You mean this cap won't go in far enough?
Not always.
Okay.
Some valves, it doesn't go in. It doesn't go in right.
That's already at the right angle and everything.
Yeah.
We don't even need to bend that one.
Okay, what did I do with you? Oh, there you are.
Now you're only going to use the flux on the ones that are steel to copper.
Yep.
Which is 2 of them.
Yep.
We don't need to use any flux on copper to copper on this type of work. Oh, you don't want to pinch that more, a little bit more?
I did.
Oh, you did. Okay.
If you look at what the... Oh, shit, where's my...
What?
45%.
I got some.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's in my kit.
All right.
Okay. Yeah, we won't need any more flux probably.
Nope.
Okay, you're going to do the 45% first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because remember I go over everything with 15?
Yeah. Let's see where I put it. All right, I'm going to move my torch. Back. Okay. All right. This is the 45% that you can buy at APC or Reliable. You get that. I think I bought that at APC. They sell it there, right?
Yeah.
45% silver. What do they call it exactly? I don't have the rest of the package anymore, or do I? Oh, here it is. Silverloy 450, 45%.
Yep.
Lucas Mill hopped or whatever. Cadmium free brazing alloy. Okay. So I do have that. All right. And we also need a stick of the 15, which I have several of them here. Let me see. I'm going to use use that one because it's already been started.
Oh, okay.
Now this one here, though, that's a little piece of 15, but I don't need to use that right now. And this, that's my flux coated piece that saved us one day when we didn't have flux. It's good to keep one of those. Is that 15% or is that?
No, that's brass.
That's total. That's brass. And then what is this one? I think that came with this kit.
That's 45.
Oh, okay, interesting.
It's 45 or steel. Check it with a magnet.
Oh, okay. I'll do that later. All right. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
All right. Oops.